Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Mike back with another video. Unfortunately, it's not a good video. Out here at the outdoor furnace, my Taco pump quit working again. Tripping the breaker in the house. I actually took it apart the other night and tried to get it going again. It won't go, so I got a new pump. My first order of business here, I think I'm gonna drain this system out. I'm thinking there might be some debris in there or something that's causing this to happen. I don't know. Maybe somebody out there can explain this to me. Actually getting a little chilly out, so the pump just came in today, so first order of business here, I think I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to drain. I don't have to drain it, I just think that I got sediment or something going on in here. I got some treatment to put in with it. So I figure if I flush it all out, who knows. So I had this pump go bad last year. It lasted like 8 years, went bad, got a replacement. This replacement didn't last a year. Yeah, they got that in a nice spot. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know, like I said, guys, I don't know if this is a solution or not here, but we're gonna try it out. It is definitely getting a little chilly out here, so yeah, these back ones are not fun. I don't know, my water's pretty clear now. I'm debating if I should drain the whole thing out or not. There's the pump. A lot of debris in that elbow. Yeah, I don't know if I got some metal in there that caused it's causing these to go bad. I think for right now I'm gonna close this shut off. You know, water that's coming out of the hose does not look nasty at all like I thought it would have, so we'll take this in the house and take a look at it. Okay, we gotta change this cord out on this thing. Looks like the ground wire came off. I don't know if that would have had anything to do with it. White to white and white to white, which would be that. Yeah. And the yellow is going to the black. Position where I can tighten that. This is the liquid we got to put in it. You take that outside and throw it in, huh? Okay, off with the new one. Okay, boys. Hopefully we're back in business, because it is getting cold out. The pump is directional, and I know I got that the right way. I don't know how I know that is because when I took it apart the other night, I forgot which way it needs to go, and I put it on backwards. So, and that's how I know that. That's the kind of stuff that bothers me. I did always shut this down in the summertime and turn the pump off, and I was reading online a little bit, and a lot of people say to let them run, so you know, I don't know. So one thing I did do is change my wire for my breaker here that's tripped. I wanted to verify that that was not going, breaker wasn't going bad. Here's my fill valve. Start pumping a little water to it. Switch these back. There's this one. Thought maybe I had a bad breaker, you know, but I can't believe this is happening to me again. Let's get this back to the way it should be. go see how she's filling up. Okay guys, well, after some messing around, I got it running. I think I had a GFI outlet bad also. Everything looks like it's good now. Right there's my water level there. I overfilled it. I'm going to drain some out. It's a little high. Looks clean. I got a mess here. I couldn't have another GFI, so this is where I'm at. It's getting pretty cold out. At least get her up and going for tonight. I'm gonna get that water drained out till it's getting pretty close. Once it heats up, it's gonna shoot off. But I'm gonna get some stuff here cleaned up and see if I can get this thing going.
What up, guys? It's your boy Mike back here, continuing with my furnace video. So I replaced the pump, replaced GFI, did a lot of troubleshooting, kicking the breaker randomly. Took me a while to figure out, but what it seems to me is I had some mice in my pipe chewing on my wire in the pipe that runs from the house out to the furnace. Let me see. One section's pretty bad. Check this out. Get that. Yep, so they chewed her up, shorted this wire out. Took me a little while to figure out. I ended up running extension cords from the furnace there. Ran extension cords to different outlets in my garage, and then I was able to determine that, you know, everything stayed up and working. Then it was just so random. It seemed like when I unplugged the pump that everything was working good, so that's why I thought the pump was bad. Kept going back and forth. Like I said, finally eliminated that line. So last night I pulled a new line in. I'm going to use the other pump as a spare. I ordered some other spare parts, a spare fan, a spare aquastat, a spare solenoid. Just going to try to have a backup of each one going forward. That way if something happens, I have the parts right there. I can just swap it out and go from there. While I was at it, I did hook a little light up here, a little motion light. I don't know, I guess it should come on. I don't know if it just comes on at night or what it does. Something I had laying in the garage, I figured I'd put it on. Hopefully that works okay. I got another extension cord ran up to the chickens for a heat lamp. I ran 12.2. They only had 14.2 ran, which was enough, but seeing as I added this light and that I want that chicken coop plugged in, I put it on a 20 amp breaker, ran 12.2. It's only like $30 more for a spool. I got 250 feet. I have probably 20 feet left over, so just gonna keep an eye on her now and see how she does. But I think so far so good. We shall see. I'm gonna let her burn for a little bit, and yeah, kind of took me a little while to figure that problem out. Like I said, I unplugged the pump and the circuit stayed up and everything seemed to be working, so I'm like, got another bad pump, what the hell, you know. I did add some treatment into this thing. Once I flushed that pipe out, I added this treatment in, and that's supposed to prolong the life of the furnace, so I did do that. I was worried that not having that treatment in there was corroding my furnace out, so I got that put in, and yeah, that's it. I get these extension cords all pulled back into the house and cleaned up, and that's all I got for you. So maybe this video will help anybody out that kind of runs into this problem, but we'll see what happens, and I'll see you on the next one. We gone.